The best things happens to your body when you drink Moringa every day. Moringa is one of the most powerful plants in the world. The tree and its leaves are rich in numerous essential vitamins and minerals, vitamins A, B1, B2, B3, C, folate, potassium, iron, zinc, magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, as well as other important nutrients for our health. Due to the rich nutritional profile, Moringa can significantly improve your health, and should become a part of your everyday diet. Here are the main benefits of Moringa leaves. 1. Boost your kidney function. Moringa is a powerful diuretic and detoxifying agent which can clean your urinary tract and prevent infections. It will also give your kidneys a boost, and can remove the calcium deposits which may lead to kidney stones. 2. Protect the liver. Moringa leaves contain phytochemicals such as catechins, epicatechins and ferulic acid which can keep the liver properly functioning. These compounds can also prevent radiation, and protect the liver from damage. 3. Prevent neurological problems. The Moringa leaves can boost the production of dopamine, serotonin and norepinephrine in the body, which will protect your brain, and keep you safe from Alzheimer's disease. 4. An excellent source of nutrients. Moringa is an excellent source of various nutrients. It has 17 times the calcium than milk, 10 times the beta-carotene than carrots and 25 times the iron content of spinach. Furthermore, the leaves contain vitamins B and C, iron, zinc and potassium as well. 5. Treat diabetes. According to several studies, Moringa leaves can control your glucose levels and treat and prevent diabetes. One study showed that it can even improve the total protein and hemoglobin levels in diabetics, which is important for treating the disease. 6. Treat digestive problems. The leaves have been used as a remedy against numerous digestive problems due to the presence of fiber and isothiocyanates. Studies have shown that they work far better than conventional medications, and have no adverse side effects as well.